You might think your brain just needs to rest or power down at night like a computer to recharge its batteries. In reality, the world inside your head becomes incredibly active the moment you close your eyes. If you stay awake for too long, your brain begins to fill up with toxic biological trash. Left unchecked, this buildup will eventually kill you. Every single day, your brain acts like a bustling, overpopulated megacity. Billions of neurons are constantly firing and communicating, using up massive amounts of energy to run your life. All this activity produces a staggering amount of garbage. Toxic byproducts build up between brain cells, like tiny factories dumping trash. During the day, the brain is too busy to clean the crowded streets. If uncleared, this waste damages cells and their function. This physical accumulation of biological pollution is exactly why you feel foggy, confused, and terrible after pulling an all-nighter. Your brain is literally choking on its own waste. Without a dedicated mechanism to flush these toxins, the brain would eventually succumb to its own internal pollution. To trigger its cleaning cycle, the brain waits for the chaotic waking world to stop. The streets must be cleared of daily traffic before the work can begin. The brain actively waits, holding off its vital cleaning cycle until you drift off into the specific phase of deep sleep. The moment you reach this state, your brain cells undergo a physical transformation. The cells actually shrink in size by up to 60%. This shrinkage turns those narrow, cramped streets into wide-open highways, clearing the path for a biological rescue mission. With the pathways clear, the brain releases a surging wave of cerebrospinal fluid. This fluid rushes through the expanded spaces, washing over the cells and violently flushing out all the day's toxic byproducts. The tidal wave sweeps through the city streets, carrying away the trash that has been poisoning the neural environment. The current pulls the toxic buildup entirely out of the brain's highways. This waste is swept down into the liver to be destroyed and removed from the body forever. That refreshed, sharp feeling you have upon waking is the direct result of a pristine, newly scrubbed neural environment. Taking your sleep seriously is about giving your brain the crucial time it needs to literally wash itself clean. Sleep is an active sanitation cycle. To ensure this cycle kicks into high gear, you need to protect your schedule. That means going to bed at the same time every night, keeping your room cool and dark, and putting away all glowing screens. Neglecting these habits deprives your brain of the physical time it requires to perform its internal maintenance. Understanding the violent complexity of our microscopic biology reveals the profound beauty in our everyday survival routines. You can actually become part of this channel. More than 1,000 people have got their own custom bird avatar to help us explain things, clown around in the background, or just take a well-deserved nap. You can get your own avatar and help us keep making these videos by supporting us over at patreon.com/Kurzgesagt. It is one of the main ways we sustain ourselves, and it helps us make more and better videos. Thanks for watching.